If you had 1 million naira sitting in your bank account right now, what would you do with it? Most people will either spend this money or leave it in their account for something that is unplanned, just come and eat this money. But what if I told you that with 1 million naira, you can start generating consistent passive income every single quarter starting this 2025? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to invest 1 million naira for consistent passive income, the exact investment to make, and how you can start doing it consistently so that you never go broke again. If you're ready to make your money start working for you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like this video, because I am dropping real investment strategies on this channel every single week. Now, let's get into the video of the day. Before we talk about where to invest your 1 million naira, let's look at how the rich think about money. Because if you don't have the right mindset, you can end up wasting whatever you invest in. So these are the key principles you must follow if you want to grow your wealth like rich people do it. 1, rich people don't save money, they multiply it. In fact, if your money is not growing, it is dying. That is why rich people invest in assets that generate cash flow for them. Don't just save your money, invest and multiply it. 2, cash flow is king. Investment that don't pay you consistent cash flow are not investments, they are just expenses. So whenever you are looking at investments, look at what would make you money consistently, not just what would make you money only when you sell. Invest in only assets that bring you consistent cash flow. 3, passive income is not instant, but it is predictable. If you invest 1 million naira today, it will not make you rich tomorrow. But if you do it consistently and if you compound your investment in a very strategic way, that your 1 million naira investment can easily be taking care of your expenses and your lifestyle in the next 3, 5, 7 years. Because at that point, you wouldn't need your job or your businesses to take care of those monthly or yearly expenses, things like school fees, rent, and so on. Your investment can easily take care of that. So it's not just about a one-off thing, it's about building a system of consistent cash flow investment that will pay for your lifestyle. Now that you understand the right mindset for investing for passive income, now let's talk about the 3-step strategy to invest 1 million naira for passive income. Step 1, you have to invest for cash flow, not just for capital gain. You see, when most people want to invest things like 1 million naira, the only thing that usually comes to mind is, let me just buy land one place and keep. Why that is a good investment, it is just purely for capital gain. But if you want to start making consistent passive income, you want to start investing for cash flow, not just for capital gain. You want assets, you want investment that pay you consistently, at least every quarter, while you grow and multiply your wealth. Step 2, you have to learn to reinvest your profits. Instead of withdrawing and spending all the earnings or the profits you make from your investments, start growing your earning by reinvesting some of those profits. This is how you compound a 1 million naira investment to a massive investment that pay you consistently and fund your lifestyle. Step 3, scale over time. Once your investment start generating income for you, buy other income generating assets. This way, if you had 5 investments that make you 7 million naira monthly, if you buy more or have 10 more, that means those 10 will not be making you 14 million naira every month. And as you add more properties that make you income to what you already have, that is how you become wealthier. The more assets you own that make you income, the wealthier you become. And I need you to know this. Passive income is not magic. It is a system. You build this system over time by investing, reinvesting, and growing the system to the point where it now funds all your life. And you don't need to work anymore in order to put food on your table. So grow that system. Now, here are the investments you can start with 1 million naira to start making passive income in 2025. 1, farmland lease. You can start leasing or renting ready to harvest farmland and have people harvest, process, and sell these farmlands for you. This particular investment can be making you between 200 to 400,000 naira in farm profit depending on how frequently you do it. 2, high dividend stocks. This is another way you can start making passive income for yourself every quarter. Buy shares in companies that pay quarterly dividends. Companies like banks, oil companies, etc. These companies that pay quarterly dividends is another way you can be making passive income from your investments without having to sell your shares. So buy high dividend paying stocks. 3, real estate investment trust. If you want to make passive income from real estate but you don't have millions, this is a hack you can use. You can invest and own bits of hybrid developments that are happening in areas like Lekki, Ikoyi, Maitama in Abuja, all of these hybrid areas. You can own bits of those developments through real estate investment trust, which is called REIT. When you own bits of this investment, you can be earning passive income from them at least every year. A good real estate investment trust can be giving you between 30 to 35% of your investments every single year. So start using this hack to make passive income even before you get your millions up to own hybrid developments. Now that you have the blueprint of investing for passive income in 2025, the real question is, will you actually take action? Will you? If you need an expert guidance in investing on all these passive income opportunities and start making income from your investments in 2025, then book a strategy call with me. Check the link in the description to book. And if you want more smart money strategies for investing in real estate in Nigeria, then subscribe to this channel and also hit that like button, because I share real investment strategies on this channel every single week. So hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.